Well, as you know, trades are a in-demand career option right now. Infrastructure, any building that takes place takes tradespeople, and the technologists are the ones that are going to advance that construction and infrastructure builds. The School of Trades and Technology, it has programs in both the Sutherland campus and at the Frost campus in Lindsay. At the Sutherland campus, we have the Kawartha Skilled Trades Arena that is a replication of a steel girder structure where the various trades overlay and work in the same space. So you'll have plumbing courses and electrical courses, as well as some of our trade fundamental programs happen in the same structure. Our carpentry is right beside that in the same environment, so you get the sense of what it's like to work amongst all the different trades at the same time. We have a welding program that is unique in the system, that it does this pressure vessel capstone project at the end of the fourth semester, where the students demonstrate all the different welding skills in all the different positions in one project at the end of the semester. Some of our programs have placement in the heavy equipment techniques. In the electrical power generation program, there's a co-op, a paid co-op. So the employment opportunities are very high. Working with the Peterborough Economic Development and the Work Board Development, the jobs that are in construction, high demand for construction jobs. I have employers that are constantly reaching out to see if we have students that are ready to graduate and ready to go to work. So we through Career Services, we have a portal that would match graduating students up with these employers.